light. So reflection of light. So when light falls on a smooth shiny surface like a mirror or a polished surface, it bounces back. Suppose this is our mirror. When any light falls on this shiny surface, it bounces back. It bounces back. So it bounces back. This phenomena is called reflection of light. So this phenomena is called reflection of light. So when light falls on any shiny surface, just like a mirror, just like a polished surface, then it bounces back and it is called reflection of light. जब कोई भी लाइट अगर किसी भी स्मूथ सरफेस से स्ट्राइक करके वापस आ जाती है, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. So the bouncing back of light from a polished mirror surface is called reflection of light. So what do you mean by reflection of light? When light falls on the mirror surface, when light falls, suppose this is our surface, shiny surface, and light is incident on the mirror, and it bounces back. When this light bounces back from a highly polished surface, then this is called reflection of light. So next is when the reflected light enters our eye, we can see the objects that reflects us. So which light helps us to see the objects? Reflected light. So when this reflected light enters our eyes, then we can see the object. And there are three types of object. First is opaque, second is translucent, third is transparent. So there are three types of object. First is transparent, second is translucent, third is opaque. So there are three types of objects. First is opaque, second is translucent, and third is opaque, is translucent, third is transparent. So there are three types of object. First is opaque, second is translucent, third is transparent. So there are three types of objects. First is opaque, second is translucent, third is transparent. So what are opaque objects? When light hits a surface and cannot pass through it, and this surface is called opaque. The surface is called opaque. Suppose a light is incident on the surface and cannot pass through it, in which the light cannot pass, the object in which light cannot pass. So these are called opaque objects. जिन objects में से light pass नहीं होती, these type of objects are called opaque objects. जिन objects में से हमारी light pass नहीं होती, these are called opaque objects. And what are examples of opaque objects? Book, aluminium foil. Aluminium foil which we use for wrapping our food. So book and aluminium in which light cannot pass. So these type of objects are called opaque objects. And what are translucent objects? The object which allow light to pass through them partially. So the objects in which light is passing pass through them partially. So these type of objects are called translucent object. जिस objects में से light partially pass होती है, कुछ pass होती है, कुछ वापिस आ जाती है. So these type of objects are called translucent objects. And what are examples of translucent object? Tissue paper or goggles. So these are translucent objects. So these are called translucent object. And what are transparent objects? The objects through which light to pass through them completely. जिस objects में हमारी light बिल्कुल pass हो जाती है, that are called transparent objects. And what are the examples of transparent objects? Glass, water. So these are called transparent objects. And what are example of transparent object? Glass and water. So there are three types of objects. So there are three types of objects. First is opaque. Second is translucent. Second is translucent. Third is transparent. Third is transparent. So there are three types of objects. First is opaque. Second is translucent. Third is transparent. So what are opaque objects? When जिसमें से light बिल्कुल भी pass नहीं होती, that are called opaque object. जिसमें से light completely pass हो जाती है, that are called transparent object. और जिसमें से light partially pass होती है, that objects are called translucent objects. So what are the examples of opaque objects? Book, aluminium foil. And what are examples of translucent object? Tissue paper, goggles. And what are the example of transparent objects? Glass, water. So these are opaque objects, translucent objects, and transparent objects. So you have to remember the types of objects and examples of types of objects. So this is glass. This is a transparent object. This is our goggles. These are translucent objects. This is aluminium foil. This is opaque object. So what are the types of object? I will show with the help of PDF. So what do you mean by reflection of light? Suppose this is our mirror. ये हमारा mirror है. इस mirror पे light incident कर रही है और ये bounce back हो जाती है. So this is called reflection of light. This is called reflection of light. The bouncing back of light from a highly polished surface is called reflection of light. So what are the types of objects? First is transparent object. Second is translucent object. Third is opaque objects. What are transparent objects? In which we can see clearly. Transparent objects में हमें clearly नजर आ रहा है. इसमें हमें clearly नजर आ रहा है. Translucent में हमारा partially कुछ नजर आ रहा है और कुछ नहीं नजर आ रहा. These are translucent objects. और opaque objects में हमें कार नजर नहीं आ रही, तो not seen. Object in which the light cannot pass. So these are called transparent, translucent and opaque objects. जिसमें से लाइट बिल्कुल पास नहीं होती वो opaque, जिसमें से लाइट बिल्कुल पास हो जाती है उसको बोलते हैं हम ट्रांसपेरेंट, जिसमें से लाइट पार्शियली पास होती है, कुछ पास होती है कुछ वापस चल जाती है. These are called translucent objects. And what are the examples of transparent object? Suppose glass. Glass में से हमारी लाइट आर पार हो जाती है. These are called transparent object. Or what are the example of translucent objects? So goggles we use. Goggles we use. These are translucent objects. And what are the example of opaque objects? So book in which light cannot pass. These are example of opaque objects. So you have to remember the definition of objects: transparent objects, translucent objects, and transparent objects. So what are the translucent objects? So transparent objects, suppose this is our object in which all light pass. यहाँ से torch light जा रही है, सारी light pass हो, all light passes through it. So these are called transparent object. In the second case, some light, कुछ light pass हो रही है और कुछ वापस जा रही है. So these are called translucent objects. और इसमें से हमारी कोई भी light pass नहीं हो रही है. So these are called opaque objects. So you have to remember the definition of opaque object, translucent object, and transparent objects. Transparent object में सारी light pass हो रही है हमारी, all light pass, और torch light से इसमें कुछ pass हो रही है और कुछ वापस जा रही है. These are translucent. और इसमें से कुछ light जा रही है, इसमें कुछ भी light नहीं जा रही, कोई light नहीं जा रही, no light pass through it. So these are called opaque objects. So what are the types of object? Transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. So the all light is passing through it. These are transparent objects. Some light passes in this. These are translucent objects. And no light passes through in it. So these are called opaque objects. So you have to remember the types of objects and the definition of. So these are the definitions of transparent objects and translucent objects. So what are luminous and non-luminous objects? The object that has its own light. Suppose this is torch and this is bulb. This is sun. This has its own light. इसकी हमारी अपनी लाइट होती है, उसको बोलते हैं हम luminous. और जिसकी हमारी अपनी लाइट नहीं होती, so these are called non-luminous. So this is moon. So this is ball. So this has no its own light. So these are called non-luminous objects. जिसकी अपनी लाइट होती है उसको बोलते हैं हम luminous. जिसकी अपनी लाइट नहीं होती उसको बोलते हैं हम non-luminous. So next is what do you mean by reflection of light? The bouncing back of light from a highly polished surface is called reflection of light. And there are three types of objects. First is opaque, second is translucent, third is transparent. So you have to state a statement true or false. Object that gives out light are called non-luminous objects. So first statement is object that gives out light, जिसकी अपनी light होती है, उसको क्या हम non-luminous बोलते हैं? No. This is false statement. So next is lamp is a luminous object. Lamp की अपनी light होती है. It is a luminous object. Yes, this is true. This is true. Third is light travels in a straight line. As we proved in the last activity, yes, light travels in a straight line. This is true. Fourth is the object which allow light to pass through them are called opaque objects. जिसमें से सारी लाइट पास हो जाती है, क्या उसको हम ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट्स बोलते हैं? नो, उसको हम ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स बोलते हैं. सो दिस इज फॉल्स. So next is we can see non-luminous objects and the presence of light. क्या हम light की presence में हम non-luminous objects को देख सकते हैं? No, light is mass. So this is false statement. So you have to remember which is true and false. I will send this PDF, the solution of these true and false, in the tomorrow class. So next topic is sound. So how sound is produced? Sound is produced by vibration. So sound is produced by vibration. अब किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट में अगर वाइब्रेट कराएंगे तो हमें क्या प्रोड्यूस होगा? साउंड. किसी भी चीज को अगर हम हिलाएंगे तो क्या प्रोड्यूस होगा? साउंड. एंड व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ साउंड? First is sound can travel only through a medium. Medium is solid, liquid, gas. So sound can travel only through a medium. जहां पे भी solid, liquid, gas कुछ ना कुछ होगा तभी sound travel करेगी. अगर कहीं भी air नहीं है, suppose moon पे हमारी air नहीं होती, तो हम जो बोलते हैं दूसरे पर्सन को सुनाई नहीं देता. तो साउंड हमेशा किस में ट्रेवल करेगी? साउंड कैन ट्रेवल ओनली थ्रू अ मीडियम. अगर वहां पे एयर नहीं है, कहीं पे भी मीडियम नहीं है, तो साउंड ट्रेवल नहीं करेगी. तो साउंड को चलने के लिए क्या चाहिए? मीडियम. So sound can travel only through a medium. And next characteristic is sound is a sensation created in the brain by vibrations. So when how sound is produced? Sound is produced by vibration, and sound is the sensation created in the brain by vibration. Suppose there is a vibration and then the sensation is created in our brain. So sensation is created in our brain. So a sound is a sensation. Sound is a sensation created in the brain by vibration. जैसे ही हम बोलते हैं, बोलने के बाद जो साउंड है वो हमारे कानों पे पहले जाती है, फिर सेंसेशन बनती है, एंड वो फिर हमारी वाइब्रेशन कहाँ जाती है? ब्रेन में. So next is light. Sound travels through the air in the form of waves. जैसे लाइट ट्रेवल करती है, साउंड भी वेव्स की फॉर्म में ट्रेवल करती है. साउंड कैसे ट्रेवल करती है? वेव्स की फॉर्म में. ये हमारी वेव्स हैं. लाइट भी ऐसे ट्रेवल करती है, एंड साउंड कैन ट्रेवल थ्रू द एयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेव्स. सो इट कैन ट्रेवल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ waves. Next characteristics of sound is we hear all kinds of sound with the help of our ears. तो क्या organ help करता है सुनने के लिए? Ears. So ears can hear all kinds of sound. So next is types of sound. So there are 4 types of sound shown here. First is soft sound. Second is unpleasant sound. Third is pleasant sound. Fourth is loud sound. So when we speak, when soft voice is produced, So this is called soft sound. And when unpleasant sound, जैसे गाड़ियों की आवाज आती है, ये अच्छी नहीं लगती है, this is called unpleasant sound. And जो पक्षी बोलते हैं वो आवाज अच्छी होती है, these are called pleasant. Pleasant जो अच्छी लगती है. और जो हम यहाँ से हम स्पीकर से बोलते हैं बहुत तेज आवाज होती है, these are called loud sound. So what are the types of sound? First is pleasant, second is unpleasant, third is soft or loud. Soft or loud. So there are, first is soft sound, and first is soft sound. जो आवाज हमारे कानों को अच्छी लगती है, these are called soft sound. जो कानों को अच्छी नहीं लगती, these are called loud sound. So, and second is pleasant and unpleasant sound. जो आवाज हमारी बहुत स्वीट होती है, वो ईयर्स को जो अच्छी लगती है, these are called pleasant sound. और जो आवाज हमारी गाड़ियों की आवाज होती है, अनप्लेजेंट साउंड, ये जो बहुत लाउड होती है, these are called unpleasant sound. So irregular sound waves create noise. अगर साउंड हमारी इरेगुलर आ रही है, अगर रेगुलर आ रही है तो हमारे क्या प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, म्यूजिक. अगर हमारी साउंड वेव इरेगुलर आ रही है, अगर हमारी साउंड वेव इरेगुलर आ रही है, ऐसे ऐसे इधर आ रही है, तो क्या प्रोड्यूस करेंगी, नॉइज. So these produce noise, while regular repeating sound waves produce musical notes. अगर जो रेगुलर साउंड प्रोड्यूस हो रही है, जो साउंड अच्छी है, उसको बार बार अगर हम रिपीटेड करेंगे तो क्या प्रोड्यूस होगा, म्यूजिकल नोट. So these produce musical notes. So what are the types of sound? First is soft sound, and second is loud sound, and third is pleasant sound, and fourth is unpleasant sound. So you have to remember the types of sound. Again, I am repeating. Sound can travel through a medium. Sound needs a medium to travel. Sound को चलने के लिए क्या चाहिए, medium. Solid, liquid या gas. अगर कोई भी साउंड एयर नहीं है तो साउंड कैन नॉट ट्रेवल. सेकंड characteristic is sound is a sensation created in the brain by vibration. So when vibration is produced, how sound is produced? By sounds with the help of ears. So we can hear all the sound with the help of ears. So what are the characteristics of sound? First is it needs a medium. Sound को चलने के लिए क्या चाहिए, मीडियम. और वो मीडियम क्या हो सकता है, सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस. अगर कहीं पे भी एयर नहीं है तो हमारी साउंड कैन नॉट ट्रेवल. Second is sound is a sensation. So how sound is a sensation and where it is created, in the brain. And how it is created, by vibration. Suppose ये कोई बोल रहा है तो वाइब्रेशन क्रिएट हुई और ईयर्स तक हमारे जाके फिर हमारी कहाँ जाएगी सेंसेशन, ब्रेन में. और लाइक लाइट साउंड ट्रेवल्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेव्स. जैसे लाइट वेव्स की फॉर्म में ट्रेवल करती है और साउंड भी हमारी वेव्स की फॉर्म में ट्रेवल करती है. एंड इरेगुलर साउंड, रेगुलर साउंड प्रोड्यूस म्यूजिकल नोट. जो हमारी साउंड रेगुलर है, इट प्रोड्यूस म्यूजिकल नोट. इरेगुलर साउंड प्रोड्यूस नॉइज. रेगुलर साउंड प्रोड्यूस म्यूजिक. इरेगुलर साउंड प्रोड्यूस नॉइज. So what are the types of sound? First is soft sound. So the sound which is very sharp, these are called soft sound. This is very pleasant, and these are very loud. These are called loud sound. And next is what are pleasant sound? which are good for us, these are called pleasant sound, and the sound which are not good for us are called unpleasant sound. So first is music and then is noise. जो हमारी अच्छी साउंड है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, म्यूजिक. जो साउंड हमारी अच्छी नहीं है, so these are called noise. जो साउंड हमारी अच्छी है, जैसे ये प्लेजेंट साउंड है, so these are called music, and unpleasant sound is called noise. So next is key terms. So what first key terms is object that give light of their own. जिसकी अपनी light होती है, that are called luminous objects. और then next is object that do not give out light. जिसकी अपनी light नहीं होती, that are called no luminous objects. And what are reflection of light? Bouncing back of light from a highly polished surface, smooth polished surface. And what are the types of objects? First is opaque, second is translucent, third is transparent. The light cannot pass through it. In the opaque, in which light passes partially, it is translucent. जिसमें से लाइट बिल्कुल पास हो जाती है, that are called transparent. And what are noise? Irregular sound. जो हमारी साउंड irregular होती हैं, that are called noise. और म्यूजिक किसको बोलते हैं? Regular sound waves. Regular sound waves are called music. Regular sound wave is called music, and irregular sound wave is called noise. So you have to remember the column. We have to match the column 1 with the column 2. First is pleasant sound. So there are 3 options. First is barking dog, second is sound of flute, and third is sound of loudspeaker. So third loud sound is sound of loudspeaker. So it is matched with C. And what are the pleasant sound? So sound of a flute. So sound of a flute. First is matched with B. And unpleasant sound is barking dog. Unpleasant sound is barking dog. So you have to match the column 1 with the column 2. So I will show the activity. So how this is the experiment for showing light travels in a straight line. ये हमने लास्ट एक्टिविटी में बताया था. 3 कार्डबोर्ड लेंगे, उसमें हम होल करेंगे सेम ही डिस्टेंस पे, और टॉर्च लाइट से देखेंगे लाइट बिल्कुल पास होती है. और अगर हमने किसी भी एक ही कार्डबोर्ड को ऊपर नीचे कर दिया, सपोज यहाँ कार्डबोर्ड थर्ड यहाँ कर दिया, इसका होल ऊपर नीचे कर दिया, तो लाइट पास नहीं होगी. So these proves that light always travels in a straight line. So these shows that the light travels in a straight line. So sunlight, so suppose it is sun and it gives light. So it gives light and it takes 8 minutes 20 seconds to reach our Earth's surface. So sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach the Earth's surface. So next is, these are the transparent and translucent objects. So if you have any queries regarding this topic, you can ask. So if you have any query regarding this topic, you can ask. If you have any query regarding this topic, you can ask. Yes, raise your hands. First is Anmol Rana. Yes, ask your question. Ask your question. Yes, Harshita Sharma. Pritish Miglani.